take a look at triangle proportional theorem. This is really just a shortcut to what we've already been doing. So go ahead and make your tab, pause the video and copy the 4 examples down. Okay, so let's take a look at example 1. The key thing is that it has to identify as parallel. I'm going to do it the old way and then I'm going to show you the shortcut. So there's the big triangle, which is that whole thing is 18 plus 8. And that whole width is 20 plus 40 is going to give you the whole length there, which is 60. And then there's a little triangle, the one in the top right hand corner. And that one's going to be A and 20. As a listening check, color in the small triangle we're drawing. Right, we set it up. So let's do, I guess we can go side to side. So 18 plus A goes with A. 18 plus A goes with A. And then 60 goes with 20. So 18 plus A goes with A, 60 goes with 20. Cross multiply and divide. So you're going to get 20 times the 4 parentheses. That's very important that you put in parentheses. Equals 68. Go ahead and get into the house. So you're going to get 360 plus 20A equals 68. Subtract 20A from both sides. So you're going to get 360 is 40A. Divide both sides by 40. So you're going to get A is equal to 9. Now this is a very lengthy process. Okay, so I'm going to show you a shortcut. Alright, so this is a shortcut. Very, 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 very important. You can't use a shortcut all the time. Okay? It only works with triangles that have parallel lines or says that they're parallel. Only works with triangles that have parallel lines or say that they're parallel. Not if it looks parallel. You can't say, look at the picture and say, oh, this looks parallel, so I can use a shortcut. No, it must say it. So I'm going to cross that out because that's the long way of doing it. And we're going to do the shortcut. So we're going to look at side to side and then figure to figure. And what it is you compare each side to each side. So 18 goes with A, 40 goes with 20. And then you do the exact same thing again, cross multiply and divide. This is a listening check. Color in the zeros with the 40 and the 20 right above what I'm writing. Cross multiply and divide, you get 9. Let me take a look again. Look at the difference between the mild and point. So let's do figure to figure. I'm going to slow it down this time, okay? It's the same thing because you should be good. Figure to figure. So the end piece with the end piece over the right hand, the smaller piece with the smaller piece. Like the small triangle with the small triangle. Cross multiply and divide. You still get A is equal to 9. So this is a lot shorter than the rest, but it must say that they're parallel. So I'm going to go ahead and put the parallel lines. Look at another example. And I'm just going to do figure to figure because it's just easier. Figure to figure because it's easier. So the little piece of the big triangle right there, 36 goes to 38, and then X goes with 19. 36 goes with 38, X goes with 19. So figure to figure. Small triangle, bigger triangle to bigger triangle. Cross multiply and divide, 19 by 36, and then 38x, divide both sides by 38, and you get x equals to 18. This is a listening check. Circle x equals 18. You take a look at another example. So this one is a little bit tricky, but not really. Figure to figure again. And we need 42 goes with, oh, I don't have anything there. It's what I'm looking for. So 42 goes with D. And then blank goes with 9. I need to find that blank. And I can because I'm given enough information. If the whole thing is 63 and part of it is 42, then if I do 63 minus 42, I'll get my missing part. So my missing part is 21 because 21 plus 42 is 63. So I'm going to put 21 right there and then do it again. So figure to figure, big part to big part. So 42 with D. And then little part to little part, 21 with 9. Cross multiply and divide. So 378 is equal to 21D. Divide both sides by 21. D is equal to 18. This is a listening check. Color in D equals 18. Take a look at one more example. Okay, so big part to big part, small part to small part. Alright, so again, figure to figure. Alright, that small part to small part. Let me label my parallel lines first. So that line is parallel to that line. And then we're doing PQ, which I'm going to label J. So it's small part to small part, and then J to blank. Oh, I need to find that blank. So again, I'm given 48 is the whole thing. Then part of 48 is 32. So what's the missing part? 48 minus 32. which is going to give me 16. So 16 plus 32 is 48. So fill that in. Now I can compare it. So small to small, so 22 to 32 over j to 16. Big to big. Cross multiply and divide. 352 equals 32j. Divide both sides by 32. J is equal to 11. And that's all there is. So this is just a shortcut. You can still do it the old way, but this is so much faster. Only works for parallel lines. Let's practice.